guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome once more to the channel. I'm going to the post office to mail 2 packages. So I'm gonna take you with me. Okay? I have 2 packages to mail to. One is going to Paris and the other is going to the USA. So I decided that I'm gonna get you involved in this. Okay? So I'm now walking to the post office. It's not very far. It's like 15 minutes from where I'm living. So I am now walking to the post office. So stay tuned. There is the post office, guys. So just have a look at the surrounding. Yeah. So here is the post office. It is a bank and it is also the post office. There. La banque and the post. So guys, as I promised you that I would let you know, here is my box. Guess what? I did one, didn't remember to put it on camera, so that one is already gone. So here is my box. This one is off to the US. So see you later. Guys, guess what? I did not remember that I told you guys that I was gonna vlog the parcels and show them to you. I did not remember a thing. I remember at last minute because the 2 packages went through different procedures because of where they are going, their destinations. And I remember about the package. Luckily, the other one did not leave my hand as yet. So I put it in the video, but I didn't get a chance of the second one. And you know why this, guys? Why this happened? Everybody want to exercise their English on me. So I was distracted. Everybody want to come and talk to Charm to exercise their English. So they distracted me. When I remember and asked them for the package, they said it has already left. so I only get to show you one of the package. But never mind, guys, it's okay. Never mind. So I'm like 3 minutes away from home, but it's very cool here. So I'm sitting and taking a bit of the cool breeze before going in. So after I please myself, then I will go home. But for now, I'm sitting right here. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. And put that post notification bell on so you will be notified when I post my next video. And see you all in my next video. Love ya.